Welcome to Code Fun with me, Rozzie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehe a koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! Digi! Did you hear that? There it is again! Oh, I think our robot friend is hiding from us. Call out if you see Digi, okay? Great. Digi! Oh, what's that? You see Digi? Where? Shh. Aha! Oh. Digi! There you are!
Kia ora!
Kia ora! Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started. Wake tātou!
Kia ora! It's me, Digi the robot. It's great to see you. Huh? Oh! Kia ora!
Kia ora, Digi. I need help. Can you help me, please?
I love to help, but I'm a robot. I need to be told what to do so then I can help Lily.
So my problem is that my bed got really messy last night while I was sleeping, and now I need to make it. I've got everything I need, but I don't know what to do.
It looks like Lily really needs help. We need to give her some instructions. A set of steps to follow so she can make her bed. Titero. There's a picture of a pillow, a top sheet, a duvet, and a fitted sheet with elastic. Now we need to put these pictures in order so that Lily can make the bed. So what would happen if she put the pillow on the bed first? Then put the top sheet on, then put the duvet on, and then put the fitted sheet with elastic on top of that. Let's see. Yikes! The bed is one big lump. Very uncomfortable. And where's her pillow? Something is wrong with the instructions. They need to be debugged. When you try to do something and it all goes wrong, listen and remember the words in this song. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Try to do what you're doing in a different way. You'll be smiling at the end of the day. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Whoa! Away! Let's sort the order out together. What goes onto the mattress first? Right, let's put the picture of the fitted sheet first. There, so the fitted sheet comes first. But when does the pillow go on the bed? Before the top sheet and the duvet or after? After? Okay, let's put the picture of the pillow last. So if we told Lily to follow these instructions, she would put the fitted sheet with elastic on first, then she'd put the top sheet on, then the duvet would go on top, then the pillow would go on the bed last. Do those instructions look right to you? Ka pai! Time to find out if our instructions work. Let's give these steps to Lily.
Kia ora, Digi.
Kia ora! Are you ready to make the bed?
Ready.
Step 1. Put the fitted sheet with elastic on first. Step 2. Put the top sheet on. Step 3, put the duvet on top. Step 4, put the pillow where your head will go. Good work.
I did it! I made my bed and it looks great. Thanks, Digi. Bye.
Thanks for your help, e hoa. Me maumahara. If you try to do something and it all goes wrong, stop, think, and debug it.
Hi! Do you know what this awesome instrument is? It's a piano accordion. I know a really fun game we can play with this piano accordion. For this game, I'll be the programmer who gives the instructions and you can be the robot who follows what I say. E2, stand up and find a clear space to play. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear this, then you need to grapevine to your left. Step out, behind, out, and step together. Now, if you hear this, then you need to grapevine to your right. Step out, behind, out, and together. Now, if you hear this, then you need to hooty-hooty, turn around. Have you got it? Great. Okay. Whakarongo. Listen carefully so you know which way to move. Here we go. Are you joining in? Great! Do you remember what that one is? That's right, hooty hooty. Grapevine to your left. Kamutu pea. Great job. You're really good at following instructions. Just like...
Oh!
You guessed it. Digi.
Hey there, that's all we have time for today. Tirohia ngā hua o tā tātou mahitahi. Let's take a look at what we did together. You helped me put the steps in order so Lily could make her bed. And you followed the instructions like a robot and played a cool game with Rozzie. When you wake up tomorrow, you could try making your bed all by yourself, just like Lily.
We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool. Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite ano e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.